Hello friend, welcome back. My name is Bhash Rajput and I am studying at SDJ International College, roll number 132. So I am here to introduce a very interesting topic, booting. Uh, so in this topic we have a Unix operating system. In other system, the user can reload the reload the operating system with use of controller delete, but we have a Unix system, so we will do in different way. Let's go.
As previously discussed about that, about our assignment is assignment number 4 and topic is booting system presented by Bhavesh Rajpurohit. So what is a booting sequence? Booting is a startup sequence that starts the operating system of computer when it is turned on. Boot sequence is the initial set of operations that the computer performs when it's switched on. Every computer has boot sequence. So here is six system six system of boots. First one is BIOS, basic input output system. Execute MBR. MBR is a master boot record execute grub, and next level is grub. Grub is a grand unified bootloader executed kernel, and fourth one is kernel. Kernel is used to execute subbin and init. Init is a execute run level program, and run level execute the etc rc d. So what is BIOS? BIOS stands for basic input output system. Perform some system integrity checks, searches load and execute the boot reloader program. It looks for a boot loader in floppy CD or hard drive. You can press a key, typically F12 and F2, but it depends on your system during the BIOS startup to change the boot sequence. Once the bootloader program is detected and loaded into the memory, BIOS gives the control to it. So in simple terms, BIOS load and execute the MBR bootloader. MBR stands for Master Boot Record. It is a master of boots. So it is located in the first sector of the bootable disk, typically DAO, HDA or DV, SDA. MBR is less than 520 bytes in size. This has three components. First one is the primary boot loader, then information is first 446 bytes to and partition table into a next 64 bytes. MBR validation check in last 2 bytes. It contains information about GRUB or LILO in old system. So in simple term, MBR loads and executes the grub bootloader. The third one is grub, stand for Great United Bootloader. If you have multiple kernel images installed on your system, you can choose which one to be executed. So grub display a splash screen, wait for the few seconds. If you don't enter anything, it loads the default kernel image as a specific in the grub configuration file. So grub has the knowledge of the file system, the oldest Linux loader, LILO. It didn't understand file system. Grub configuration file is boot grub.conf, etc grub.config is the link of this understood verb. Grub configuration file is so the following sample grub is grub.conf of CentOS. Kernel month of the root file system was the specific in the root in group.conf. Kernel execute the SBI init program. Since init was the first program to be executed by Linux file, it has the process ID. Process ID do as a PSEF. Graph init and check the PID. Init RD stands for initial RAM disk. Init is used by kernel as temporary root file system until kernel is booted and the real root file system is mounted. It also contains necessary drives compiled inside which help it to access the hard drive, partition and hard drive. So init. First one is init. Look at the etc annotate tab file to decide the kernel run level. Following are the available run level: 0 halt, First one is single user mode, second one is multi-user without NFS, third one is a full multi-user mode, fourth one is unused, fifth one is X11, sixth one is reboot. In it, define the default entry level from etc, NAT tab, and uses that the load or propose appropriate programs. Typically, you would set a default run level. So sixth one is run level program. When a Linux system is booting up, they are moved to see various service getting started. For example, it must be say starting send mail. Okay, those are the run level program executed from the run level directory as defined by your run level program. Start with S are the startup, S for the startup, K for the knockdown, shutdown. Thank you for enjoying the video. So we will see you in next video.